Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ZoomInfo for B2B sales, full guide step by step clearly. To begin using ZoomInfo for B2B sales, first, ensure you have an active subscription to the platform. Next, navigate to the ZoomInfo website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface, noting key sections like search, lists, and integrations. To find leads, click on the Search tab. Use the filters available to narrow down your search according to industry, location, company size, and more. Enter relevant keywords that relate to your ideal customer profile. Review the search results, which will display potential leads along with vital company information. Click on a lead to view their detailed profile, which includes direct contact information, background, and company insights. To save potential leads, utilize the Add to List feature. Create targeted lists for different campaigns or sales strategies to stay organized. Consider utilizing the Insights section to access market trends and company updates that can inform your approach. For outreach, download contact information or integrate with your CRM for seamless follow-ups. You can also leverage ZoomInfo's Enrich feature to enhance existing customer data in your database. Remember to regularly update and cleanse your lists to maintain up-to-date information. As you gather insights, develop personalized outreach strategies based on the data you obtain. Monitor the performance of your campaigns and adjust based on which leads convert effectively. Utilize the training resources available on ZoomInfo to deepen your understanding and improve your strategy. By following these steps, you will effectively harness the full potential of ZoomInfo for your B2B sales efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.